Dear colleagues, Namaste. Welcome to this last video of this FDP. 4 weeks online FDP course on effective use of ICT tools in teaching learning, jointly organized by Modern College of Pharmacy and Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India. I take this opportunity to acknowledge and thanks all the stakeholders who have come together to make this FDP a enjoyable experience for last 1 month. My special thanks to Modern College of Pharmacy and Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India. I take opportunity to thank Dr. Gajanan Ekbote sir, Chairman, Business Council PES Pune, and Professor S. Deshmukh sir, Secretary PES Pune, who have given this opportunity and platform to conduct these FDP. Now, my sincere gratitude to Honorable Dr. P.D. Chowdhury sir, President, APTI and Principal MCOP Pune, and Dr. Raman Dang, Secretary APTI, for providing this platform of APTI and taking this FDP to national and international level. Thank you all the dignitaries. Now it's my dynamic team of resource persons without whom this FDP would not have been possible. So let me thank all Dr. Argade, Dr. Bansod, Dr. Kahale, Dr. Pawar, Madam, Mr. Gaikwad, Mr. Daude, Dr. Mali, and Dr. Ghorpade, who have taken pains to deliver the lectures and looking after the whole course. Not only this, I even congratulate all the organizing team for conducting this FDP really in a superb way. Now let us go to have the highlights of 4-week FDP. Let me tell you that 1600 registered participants were there for this FDP, out of which 800 participants will be successfully completing the FDP. We could produce 58 videos, 45 quizzes, 4 discussion forums, and 4 weekly activities. And that was an Herculean task for you participants to go through this all the videos and tasks. This FDP was totally activity based for making or ensuring that learning happens to the participants, and we could have a good interaction with all the participants through the Telegram group, and we also saw the personal guidance and difficulty resolution. So with this, we also have assessed near about 3200 assignments. My special thanks to all the faculty members of Modern College of Pharmacy and resource persons who have taken these pains to assess 3200 assignments. It's not a joke. My sincere gratitude to all these faculty members. Now, let us go ahead and have a quick recap of 4-week FDP, what we have done. In week 1, we have seen how we can improve ourselves as a teacher by applying various effective teaching practices. Week 2, we could understand how to create the video resource and our own website by using WordPress. Then in week 3, we have studied the creation of Gnomio Moodle course or Google Classroom. And week 4 focused on advanced and digital pedagogy so that the student engagement can be improved. So in this 4-week FDP, we have seen how we can transform teacher-centered passive teaching practices to student-centered active teaching practices. And I hope that we have given these modules which have made the teachers confident to use the active teaching practices. Now, I want to ask whether the objectives of this course have been achieved through this FDP or not. The first objective was transforming teacher-centered passive teaching process to student-centered active teaching learning process. I hope now we clearly know how we can convert this passive process to the active process, and the student can be equally participating in the learning process. Second objective was equipping teachers to utilize effective teaching practices. I hope that this objective of using various effective teaching practices have been attained by you. Third objective was empowering teachers with modern and innovative pedagogical tools. So we feel that you have been empowered with so many pedagogical tools that you can use effectively in your teaching practices. Fourth objective was improving learning outcomes through use of learning management systems and digital pedagogy. I hope all the teachers can now use either Gnomio Moodle or Google Classroom as learning management system, and so many student response systems and various digital pedagogical techniques. So this fourth objective has also been achieved. And the fifth one was ensuring maximum utilization of online teaching tools. So with this FDP, I am confident that my teachers will be using so many online teaching tools so that even in this pandemic situation, we can teach the students, and this objective of improving learning outcomes in the students will be maximized. Now, it's a time to thank dear participants, dear colleagues, dear beloved teachers for your active participation. It is you who have made this FDP very successful. Your keen interest in learning something new has made this FDP very successful. It was our proud privilege that many of the stalwarts were the participants in this FDP, and they have given so many tips, so many suggestions, so that we are now confident that we can make these necessary corrections in the times to come. Your interactions through Telegram groups, through phone calls, through messages has really made us so much connected to you all, and these interactions will remain in the future also. So thank you all dear participants for your active participation. Now let us together learn new things, transform ourselves as teachers, share whatever we know, and teach to our students, and bring the revolution in this teaching learning process. So let us contribute together. Once again, my sincere thanks to you dear participants, to all the organizing team, convener Dr. Praveen Chaudhary sir, coordinators Dr. Atul Pathak and Dr. Bhushan Pimple, and whole of the APTI core team and the organizing team of MCOP. Thank you all.